Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics, bringing you another law of attraction metaphysical lesson. Today I want to speak to you about the tiger's eye crystal. Yes, tiger's eye crystal. If you watch my videos, you probably know by now that I am very much into metaphysics, crystals, candles, law of attraction, universal laws. You probably know it all, Toro, everything. So today I wanted to speak to people about the tiger's eye. I get a lot of messages and a lot of emails about people trying to manifest things in their lives, trying to create the life that they desire. So I want to tell you some of the things that I use to help me along my way. Now, first I would just like to let you know is that when it comes down to manifesting, it's what gets into your subconscious and how your subconscious reacts to it. Do it accept it, or do it push it away and bring you more of the negative? So whatever it is that you're using to impregnate your subconscious with what you're trying to do works. Now, crystals is a little different. Crystals have their own vibration, their own energy, to me, their own life. So if you watch my other videos, you probably heard me say, respect your crystals. For me, I keep my crystals in a jewelry holder, and it has different compartments, and it's all made of felt. And I keep each type of crystal in each section, like the amethyst, the tiger's eye, the bloodstones, the pink quartz, everything, the lapis lazuli, all of them are in their own separate little areas, clear crystal quartz. So I respect my crystals. I sage them, I rinse them, I run water on them, whatever I need to do to keep my crystals in good shape. Now, getting back to your tiger's eye, why did I pick the tiger's eye? I picked the tiger's eye because if I had to carry a crystal around, and I'm sure you heard me say this before, there's the clear quartz, which you can use for everything. Amethyst, pink quartz. These are crystals that a lot of people start off with. And I would recommend that you start off with these three crystals. But for me to carry around, if I had to pick one crystal to carry around for the rest of my life, that crystal, besides the clear quartz, would be the tiger's eye. And I think it would be more the tiger's eye. Let me just show you. The tiger's eye is a brown, reddish stone. It has more of a gold tint to it. So you're going to get a little combinations of different stones. You might get some that are just brown. You might get some that are brown with a little gold tint in it. And then you might get some with a little brown with a little red in it. When you have a little more of the red in the crystal and it's a tiger's eye, you're looking more at a tiger iron, which has a little more properties than the tiger's eye. This is the tiger's iron. Okay? You can see the brown, you can see the gold, and if you look careful enough, you might see a little red in there. Okay? But we're talking today about the tiger's iron. The tiger's eye, I'm sorry. Okay? This is what it is. Now, I usually carry a tiger's eye on my arm, but that one broke after a while. I had it for so long. So, let me tell you, why do I pick the tiger's eye? And how can it help you in your endeavors and your daily activities? The tiger's eye, just listen to the word, tiger, lion, okay, eye, okay? When I think of the tiger's eye, it's protection. First of all, king of the jungle, you know? The tiger's eye, totally protection. If I had to pick a stone besides the black stones, it would be the tiger's eye, okay? The tiger's eye. Tiger's eye, king of the jungle. Basically, total protection. The next thing would be the tiger rules the day. The tiger rules the day. So if it's anything to do with me manifesting success, abundance, I'm definitely going to carry around a tiger's eye along with me. I'm not leaving my house without a tiger's eye, around me, either for protection, for success, for prosperity. It does everything. And I'm sure you guys heard me speak about this before. Tiger's eye represents the sun. You can even see the yellow in the stone. It represents the sun, okay? Now at the same time, it represents strength and courage. So when you're trying to make something grow, make something new, what do you think of? The sun? If it wasn't for the sun, nothing would grow. So the tiger's eye represents the sun. It represents protection. It represents courage, ambition. So let's just say you out there, you're trying to do something and you just don't have the willpower, or you just got that doubt in you that's stopping you from doing a little bit. Definitely, I would carry around a tiger's eye. Definitely, I would carry around that stone. If you're having problems at your job, definitely, I would carry around a tiger's eye. In fact, I would get a big one and put it right on my desk to represent I am the controller of my life. I am the leader of my life. I represent courage, power, wisdom, the whole nine, success, protection. So when you're dealing with the tiger's eye represents so much. So that's one of the reasons why I would recommend anyone to carry around a tiger's eye with them at all times. Either it's in a bracelet, maybe a pendant, anything. Put it in get a big one and put it in your office, or keep it at your job site, put one in your car. Tiger's eye is the crystal of the day. So I just wanted you guys to know about what I do and why you see me wearing a tiger's eye every time when you see me making a video. I wear all different type of crystals, but for most of them, you're going to see me wearing a tiger's eye. I am a Leo. That is my sign. I am the sun sign. At the same time, I love tiger's eye. I love power. I love passion. I love motivation and ambition. I've been like that all my life. It doesn't even matter what I was doing. I always moved up the next ladder. And I believe in that, okay? So I am just giving you what I use, what gives me the courage and the ambition, a little push to do what I'm doing. So again, it's called the tiger's eye, and there's also the tiger's iron. Take your pick, whatever resonates with you. Go ahead, buy it. Put the crystal in your hand when you get to the shop. Feel if the heat is coming from it, if it's vibrating, or if you feel a little sense that you just should buy this crystal. That's the indicator that you are picking up the right crystal for you. Okay, doesn't matter what crystals you're picking up, but you will get some type of vibration or some kind of sensation telling you that this is the crystal for you. Again, this is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics, bringing you another law of attraction metaphysical lesson. Today I talk to you about tiger eye, the tiger eye crystal, and how it can help you manifest the things in your life, protect you, give you courage, ambition, passion, motivation to do the things that you need to do. Again, this is Eyvette, giving you all the lessons that you need to better your life. Namaste. Oh, if you like this video, please like it, please subscribe, and if you go to my website, very soon, if you will be seeing these type of crystals on my website. I will be selling them. It may take a little while to get to you, but they are on my website in a couple of days, a couple of weeks, but it will be posted on my website for you to buy. Don't forget to support me. If you like this video, like it, subscribe, and thank you. Namaste.